I've been with BitTycoon for over a month now. I just finished my first monthly miner contract and wanted to report whether this Bitcoin cloud mining app is worth your time. My first thought is that it really wasn't worth it. I was only receiving about 150 sats a day for 30 days, which is 4,500 sats, when $10 gets you a little under 10,000 sats. Well, what I found out is after the contract, they give you a gift that gives you 100 sats a day, and it says it lasts for a year. It does say that the rewards will decrease according to the length of the reward contract. And I plan to make another account video in a month from now, and we'll see just how much I lose. But honestly, what it makes you want to do is buy another smaller miner contract, and then after a month, see if those two reward contracts stack. And I feel like if you get enough of these reward contracts to stack, I feel like you can get a decent amount of sats per day. So what I'll do after this video is buy the cheapest miner, and then I'll report back in a month and see if that's right. So as far as withdrawals go, if you hit the withdrawal tab in your wallet, and then if you click on the top it says history, you can see that I have 2 successful withdrawals. Unfortunately, my first one, I tried sending to a Binance US account and it didn't work, nothing ever came through. So I was pretty bummed about that, but it was only 1,400 sats, not really a big deal in the grand scheme of things. But I did try it again to a trust wallet and it did work. Unfortunately, I didn't record that withdrawal, but now that I know it does work, at the end of a month, I'll withdraw everything I have and record that and show you all how it's done. So if you like these kind of account updates, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And if you do decide to use BitTycoon, please use my referral code you see on the screen. You'll receive a free mining contract, it helps the channel and helps make these videos. I do my best to break down these apps and find the best options for Bitcoin and other passive income. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.